So we are here in Pune with the stage all set for Rahul Gandhi's Chhatron Ki Goonj. The leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha is all set to come here in a few minutes from now. And in the run-up to that, what we'll try and do is speak to the people, their expectations from Rahul Gandhi, what they expect the LOP to speak about, and most importantly, what are the expectations of the Gen Z and women. Because like I said, the theme of this Chhatron Ki Goonj is specified to women. This is an all women's event. I have a couple of them here with me. Ma'am, you mind telling us where you're from and are you a student?
Yeah, I'm a student. I'm in 12th right now.
Okay, and you're from Pune?
Yeah, I'm from Pune.
What are your expectations from Chhatron Ki Goonj and the LOP coming here?
I just expect that we get some answers, and like the current government is not getting any accountability to us. So I just hope that the opposition is strong enough that they question the current government and get the answers for us, because we can't go there and just get our answers. So opposition is the only hope we have. So I'm really rooting for it, and I hope we get a really democratic India to be seen in near future.
Now, this program is centric towards women. It's an all women's event. Being a woman in 2026, can you tell us, and that to a student, what are the biggest challenges you feel that women in 2026 have to go through?
The biggest challenges are the mentality of the society, because whenever you see a woman going front, or if she is achieving anything or any kind of success, the society doesn't seem to accept her or accept the hard work she did. So I think so the society should change the mentality first, and for that I think so education is more important.
Now, just a few days back, the Prime Minister said that Dimagi Naxal is a big problem, and you've seen what has happened with the Cockroach Janata Party. Does the Gen Z now think that, there is no going back, there's no fear in the Gen Z right now of the government? Do you think that is the sentiment?
It's not like we have no fear, because we have to fear at all. But the thing is, Gen Z is pretty rebellious, and I really appreciate the fact that we are rebelling against the government, because the last generation didn't, and I think so we should for our future.
We have some more students joining us. Where are you from? Which standard are you in?
I am from Chhatrapati Sambhajinagar and I am studying in 10th grade.
You're in 10th grade?
Yeah.
What are your expectations from Rahul Gandhi when he comes on stage?
I am really expecting that he will solve our problems, because we know right back there was paper leak, and NEET is very important paper, because the one who cracks that paper will become the future doctor of our country. And if the paper is leaked, then how can we trust our doctors? So I really have expectations from Rahul Gandhi that he will listen to us, he will listen to the feelings of students, to the students who are giving the NEET paper, and then he will solve our problem.
You're in the 10th grade.
Yeah.
What is the biggest problem that being a woman in 2026, and that too in 10th grade, you're yet to give the board exams, I believe. What is the biggest issue as a student and as a woman that you think is relevant in 2026?
Mostly the woman child is not allowed for studying in higher grades, because parents are always forcing girls to marry someone rich and settle their life. But we girls want to study more, and today the biggest problem is the education for girls, because mostly it is not allowed. All the stereotypes and prejudice are still there in our societies. So I really think that this is only the main problem for our girls, that we are not getting education properly.
I'm assuming you must be using Instagram and you must be aware of the Cockroach Janata Party, and I think he also comes from your city. So many voices saying that we represent the youth. What do you think is the differentiating factor? Who represents youth the most? Is it a political party, or you think everybody is a voice for the youth in this country?
Actually, everybody is voice for the youth, because our democracy is for the people, by the people. So it is actually for us. We are electing the government, and they should work for us. And if they are not listening to us, they are taking our rights which are amended in the constitution, then we are raising the voice, and it's our right to raise the voice.
So there was a 10th standard student. We also have some women. Ma'am, if you can please come in front.
Actually, I'm a teacher in
you're
school.
a teacher.
Yes.
Okay.
So I've come specially to see and look forward for the new leadership for our country. let's set back a new standard for our country also.
The education system has come under question in such a big manner now.
Yes.
As a teacher yourself, how disappointing and how saddening is it that students have to now come onto the streets?
First, I feel very sad for the students who have committed suicide for these NEET exams and other exams too. This should not happen in our country anymore. So I feel Rahul Gandhi is the face of youth and he is the future of our country. I hope he'll understand the problems of students and he'll solve them. Since the students are the future citizens, I think our government should pay more attention on students and their benefits and their future. Thank you.
All right, so you have women, not just students. We just spoke to someone who's from the 10th grade, but you also have teachers who are expressing their angst and how the fact that they're not happy with the education system in the country. Ma'am, would you like to speak to us about? आप बात करना चाहेंगे? बात करना चाहेंगे. आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
हम पुणे से ही बाउदन से आए हैं।
पुणे से ही आए. आप राहुल गांधी को देखने के लिए आए हैं?
राहुल गांधी खा देखने के नहीं आए, उसके वो बच्ची लोगों को सपोर्ट करने आए हैं हम।
बच्चे लोगों को सपोर्ट करने आए हैं. बच्चे तो इतने महीनों से अपना हक के लिए उनको सड़क पे आना पड़ रहा है. आप एक बुजुर्ग होकर के बाद ये देखती है कि देश का युवा जो है वो सड़कों पर है. कैसा लगता है आपको ये?
बहुत बुरा लगता है, लड़कों के साथ लड़कियों के साथ बहुत अन्याय हो रहा है। पेपर नीट का पेपर वो फूटा, वो अभी जंतर मंतर पे जो हो गया वो उसमें बच्चों को बहुत मारपीट की। ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, इसलिए हमें राहुल गांधी का ही सपोर्ट चाहिए और राहुल गांधी ही दे सकते हैं।
हमने देखा कॉकरोच जनता पार्टी और ऐसे अनेक संगठन जो है वो सड़कों पर आके स्टूडेंट्स के हक के लिए लड़ रहे हैं. प्रधानमंत्री ने बोला दिमागी नक्सल जो है वो एक इशू कर रहे हैं. क्या आपको लगता है कि सरकार ने जिस तरीके से इन युवाओं के साथ बर्ताव किया वो सही था?
बहुत गलत, बहुत निंदनीय, बहुत अनिंदनीय। बच्चों के साथ जो व्यवहार किया हमने लाइव देखा है, सब कुछ देखा है, वो बहुत अनिंदनीय। इसको मैं धिक्कार करती हूँ, इसलिए हमें राहुल गांधी ही चाहिए अगले पीएम बच्चों के लिए।
आपको लगता है वो एजुकेशन सिस्टम ठीक करेंगे?
वो एजुकेशन सिस्टम इतनी बड़ी डिग्री उनकी, उनको पप्पू बोलते हैं, उनको शर्म आनी चाहिए। इतना हार्वर्ड विद्यापीठ की उनकी डिग्री है और ऐसे आदमी को ऐसे बोलते हैं, कुछ भी बोलते हैं। नहीं चाहिए, हमें राहुल ही चाहिए, राहुल चाहिए बस, बच्चों के लिए, लड़कों के लिए।
So the expectations are clearly high from the Lok Sabha leader of opposition, and the fact that he has to provide a solution to the youngsters that have come on the streets of the country. बात करना चाहेंगे? Would like to talk? Where have you come from?
I am from Pune. Yes, I am 2017 graduate student. 2017. Since 10 years I am finding a job. I am not getting stable job. Still, I am in the cycle of upskilling. Pay करो, सीखो और छोड़ दो। कोई नौकरी की गारंटी नहीं है। ये साइकिल कब तक चलती रहेगी? ये मुझे राहुल गांधी से पूछना है।
Rahul Gandhi and other outfits as well who have been speaking about the youth. What do you think makes Rahul Gandhi stand out when he raises the issue?
He gives us platform at least to speak. Who else have taken stand like this to speak for us, for the youth? No one. Only Rahul Gandhi take the stands for us.
What is the biggest challenge of being a woman in 2026?
Education. Being will to the education, willing towards the education.
Do you think Rahul Gandhi will solve all of that?
I hope so.
You hope so. So the hope, like I said, is immense from Rahul Gandhi. The event will start in a short while from now and we'll get you all the voices and what people have to say. This is Shubham Chauhan reporting for HW News.